Welcome to episode number 1 from new series of Jolly Phonics. This is Miss Nourhan. I'm an English instructor at Sirkle Academy, and let's get started. Okay, our new sound today is sound A. Okay, we have A and E. Together, make the sound of A. 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 Okay, the action like this. A. 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 Repeat after me. A. 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 Super, good job. Let's start in the blending part. We have 4 words. Number 1, P, A, N. P, A, N. Pain. Pain. Number 2, G, A, N. G, A, N. Gain. Gain. Number 3, R, A, N. R, A, N. Rain. Rain. Number 4, S, A, U. S, A, U. Sail. Sail. Okay, this is your turn. Pa, A, N. Pain. Pain. Good job. G, A, N. Gain. Gain. Super. R, A, N. Rain. Rain. Perfect. S-A-L. Sail. Sail. Good job. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you next video. Bye.